Continuation. First of all, consider. First of all, consider. First of all, consider the case. The case when alpha particle is when alpha particle is directed straight towards directed straight towards the nucleus so that P equal to 0. In this case, alpha particle will be stopped. The alpha particle will be stopped. At a distance B. At a distance B from the nucleus. From the nucleus. Due to repulsive force, and trace its reverse path that is pi equal to 180 degrees. So here the distance B is known as the distance of closest approach. The value of B can be determined by considering the principle of conservation of energy. The distance B is known as the distance of closest approach. The value of B can be determined by considering the principle of conservation of energy. principle of conservation of energy. Here the distance b is known as the distance of closest approach. The value of b can be determined by considering the principle of conservation of energy. Here the electrostatic potential, the electrostatic potential at a distance b, at a distance b, due to nucleus equal to Ze by 4 pi epsilon naught b. Hence, the potential energy of alpha particle at a distance b from the nucleus equal to, we can write Ze by 4 pi epsilon naught b into 2e equal to 2Ze square by 4 pi epsilon naught b, where 2e is the charge on alpha particle. Here 2e is charge on alpha particle. When the alpha particle is stopped at a distance b, its kinetic energy 1 by 2 mv naught square is completely converted into its potential energy. Here we have to observe one point, that is the alpha particle is momentarily stopped at a distance b, its kinetic energy 1 by 2 mv naught square is completely converted into its potential energy. So this is the diagram. Here v naught velocity, here distance b, here alpha particle, in next step we have to write 1 by 2 mv naught square equal to 2Ze square by 2 pi epsilon naught b. From this b equal to Ze square by pi epsilon naught m v naught square. So from this, the above case is not possible in actual particle. This is not possible in actual particle practice, and hence we consider the case in which p not equal to 0. P not equal to 0. In this case, the alpha particle is deflected through an angle which is less than 180 degrees and transverse a hyperbolic path. Let here v be the velocity of alpha particle at the vertex. C. The velocity v can be calculated by applying the law of conservation of angular momentum. From angular momentum of alpha particle when it is at point A, that is m v naught p, and angular momentum equal to mass into velocity into distance, mass into velocity into distance. After that we have to write angular momentum of alpha particle when is it at C, that is m into v into d. After we have to equate two momentum at point A and at point C. From that we get v equal to v naught p by d.